kids, welcome back to my new video. I am Samina. Today we paint the ice lollies with beautiful colors and glitters. Kids, come, let's fun together with me. Kids, this video is very interesting. Please full watch this video. Let's start it. First we paint the sticks brown color. Orange color, I like the ice lollies. Yellow color, green color, now we sprinkle the glitters. Glue, orange glitter, yellow glitter, guys, please subscribe my channel. Wow, very yummy. Green glitter. Ice lolly looks very yummy. Wow. Now we paint the second ice lolly. Purple color. Pink color, blue color, glitter time. Glue, purple glitter, pink glitter, blue glitter, now we paint the third ice lolly. Red color, yellow color, light green color, guys, please subscribe my channel. Now we put blue, red glitter, yellow glitter, light green glitter, wow, kids, our beautiful ice lollies with beautiful colors and glitters already. Please subscribe my channel. I hope you will like this video very much. See you next video. Bye bye.